Okay. Okay, order members. You remember I suspended the House. I'm a servant of this House. And I go by the wishes of this House. So we suspended the sitting because one of us was missing. Now he's here. I'll give him 5 minutes to tell us where he was. Senator Linturi.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for according me this opportunity to brief the House what I've been doing since the House was adjourned, when give us an opportunity to go and read the BBI Bill, the report of the committee, and then be able to get back to this chamber at 2:30 to debate on the same. Mr. Speaker, the few hours have been in the hands of my good brother, Kenyatta, has not been one of the best experiences, to say the least. And Mr. Speaker, even before getting there, I really must thank this House. I must thank you. I must thank the members of Parliament who have found it very necessary to stand up and be with me at this particular time, not because, Mr. Speaker, I'm not answerable to an agency that is investigating any matter, or I'm not supposed to be arrested. Mr. Speaker, I'm thanking this House because, Mr. Speaker, today is a serious day in the history of this country. When you found it necessary to call the Senate to discuss this bill, to discuss and find a way on how the proposed constitutional changes can take place. But, Mr. Speaker, despite that serious moment in our history that will never probably come in the next few months, and where I represent the people of Meru, and the people of Meru expecting me to give my ideas and their thoughts because I've been discussing with them and what position they want me to take, I find it very absurd because, Mr. Speaker, I would have been summoned to go to the DCI on Monday or yesterday or any other day. But in doing it today, Mr. Speaker, is what is really annoying me and is very, very painful, very painful. But be that as it may, Mr. Speaker, this House, and you, Mr. Speaker, you have demonstrated leadership today. I must thank you. Honestly, you have demonstrated leadership because we would not know next time what will happen. Remember when the other senators were arrested and were discussing serious issues, this gentleman does not even can't understand why this has to happen. We condemn, thank God I sit in the Committee on National Security, and we had a discussion between the DCI, the ING and the others, and we said yes, whenever there is an issue that requires a member of Parliament to present him, even if you have no other way, write to the Speaker, let the Speaker communicate to the member of Parliament, and we'll gladly go before him. So when I left here and went to my house after reading, I find people police officers in 3 vehicles and brandishing guns, wanting to arrest me. I don't think I really deserve that kind of a treatment, Mr. Speaker. So, Mr. Speaker, we require to be treated with dignity. We require to be told whenever we have done anything wrong or even something is being investigated to appear and share the information because we are equal before the law. And we can't run away. I can't leave Kenya. I am elected. If I was to run away from this House, I would lose my position as Senator for Meru. So please, Mr. Speaker, and other members, today it was me. Tomorrow, it may be you. Let's be each other's keeper. But I have no wants to express my thanks to you, senators. You can be sure, and I think my history will also tell, I've always been there for any one of us, and because of the nature of the matter before us, Mr. Speaker, I don't want to take more time, but I really want to thank you. Whenever I've been told to appear tomorrow, 9 o'clock, Mr. Speaker, we have a session tomorrow. So I don't know, you'll be able to guide us on how we need to go about it. But